Tired of trend strategies that feel like guessing? What if you could combine trend following with momentum confirmation for smarter entries? This strategy uses 3 key tools from forexmt4indicators.com. 1. Chandelier stops. Based on ATR, it plots a line. Blue below price means bullish bias. Red above price means bearish. 2. Awesome oscillator. AO. Measures momentum by comparing a 5-bar simple moving average versus a 34-bar simple moving average. Positive bars equal bullish, negative equal bearish. 3. EMA crossover. Signal, a fast EMA. 5. Crossing a slower EMA. 20. Generates arrows for entries. Buy setup, precise. Chandelier. Stops line must be blue below price. Bull trend. Awesome oscillator bars must be positive. Bullish momentum. When both align, enter buy. When the EMA crossover signal plots an up arrow. Place stop loss at the fractal below the entry candle. Take profit. Set it 2 times your risk, i.e. 2 to 1, reward to risk. Exit early or close when EMA shows a down arrow. Sell setup, precise. Chandelier stops line must be red above price. Bear trend. Awesome oscillator bars must be negative, bearish momentum. Enter sell when the EMA crossover signal shows a down arrow. Place stop loss at the fractal above the entry candle. Take profit, 2 times risk. Exit when the EMA arrow reverses, i.e. up arrow. For risk control, only take this setup in clearly trending markets, when the chandelier stops and AO agree. And always risk a small portion. Say 1 to 2% of your account per trade. In short, this strategy gives you trend direction plus momentum plus precise entries. Go to forexmt4indicators.com to download the free indicators and template now and start trading with more confidence.